Welcome back. Today we're going to cook a tasty staple dish, Chana Dal, which is split chickpeas. This is easy to make and is perfect for all occasions. So this is what you'll need. 2 cups of Chana Dal, which has been soaked for at least 6 hours and then parboiled until about half cooked. I boiled these for about 20 minutes. The spices you'll need are cumin seeds, dried fenugreek leaves, which is methi, ground fennel seeds, which is saunf, ground coriander, turmeric, coarse black pepper, red chili powder, salt, bay leaves. You'll also need 2 medium onions finely sliced, 2 large tomatoes peeled and chopped, 2 tablespoons of lemon juice. For the tadka, you'll need some melted butter and sliced or chopped garlic, fresh coriander leaves for the garnishing. You'll also need crushed garlic and grated ginger, finely chopped green chilies and a couple of whole green chilies, dried fenugreek leaves, which is methi, some garam masala and julienne ginger. So let's get cooking. Heat 1 cup of oil and add the bay leaves and cumin seeds and fry this for about 2 minutes. Then add the onions and fry until a light golden colour and soft. Then add the ginger and garlic paste and fry for another 3 minutes. Add the chopped green chilies and fry for 3 minutes. Add all the ground spices and fry for another 3 to 5 minutes. Now add the tomatoes and fry for 5 to 10 minutes. Add a dash of water and fry. Cook well. Now add the dal and mix for a few minutes. Add enough hot water to cover the dal and a little bit extra. And I've put in about 1.5 litres. Put the lid on and simmer for 1.5 hours. Whilst you're cooking this, do mix it occasionally. I've added in 1 frozen cube of fenugreek leaves, which is methi, or you can add a handful of chopped methi leaves. When the dal is fully cooked, you can mash it a little bit to thicken the gravy. Then mix in the lemon juice. If the gravy is okay, now's the time to make the tadka. To the melted butter on a low heat, add the chopped or finely sliced garlic and fry for a couple of minutes. Then add this mixture to the dal and mix. Now add in the 1 teaspoon of dried fenugreek leaves or methi and the half a teaspoon of garam masala and stir it, and then put the lid on and steam on a very low heat for about 5 minutes. Now the dal is ready. It smells absolutely delicious. You can plate this up and garnish it with the julienne ginger and fresh coriander leaves. This dal tastes great with buttered chapatis or naan. Please do check out my homemade naan video if you'd like to know how to make those. I hope you enjoyed this recipe. Please do give it a try and see you in my next video.